Outlet terminals getting all corroded or dirty is a sneaky reason why your outlets might be acting up with poor connections and stuff. So, first off, if you notice your outlet feels loose or something plugged in flickers, it might be those terminals being nasty with corrosion or dirt. To fix it, switch off the power at the breaker, then pop open the outlet cover and check the terminals. If you see any greenish or white powdery stuff, that is corrosion and it needs cleaning. You can use a little bit of vinegar or a baking soda paste with a toothbrush to scrub it gently. If the terminals are just dirty, a simple wipe down with some rubbing alcohol on a cloth will do. After cleaning, dry everything completely before you screw it all back and turn the power on. Sometimes, if the corrosion is too bad or the terminals are damaged, it's better just to replace the whole outlet. Always double check with a voltage tester to make sure no power is running through before touching anything. And if this sounds too tricky or sketchy, calling an electrician is totally chill and safe. One of the biggest mistakes people make with outlets is ignoring signs of corrosion or dirt buildup because they think it's no big deal, but that can cause poor electrical contact and even fire hazards. Another common issue is not cutting power before touching the outlet, which can lead to serious shocks. The fix is always turning off the breaker first and testing for voltage. Lastly, some folks try to clean bad terminals with water or harsh chemicals that make things worse. Stick to safe cleaning options like vinegar, baking soda paste, or rubbing alcohol instead. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful for homeowners because it connects you with trusted local contractors who can handle stuff like electrical repairs safely and fast. It's also great for contractors looking to find steady work by getting matched with real projects in their area.